Hey, welcome. So I have been seeing a lot of sellers on Amazon struggling to increase their conversion rate on their listings. To address this problem, I'm going to give you a couple of hacks that I have been finding very helpful to increase these metrics. And it has been also very helpful to around the agency here at My Amazon Guy to do this for our clients. So my name is Bernardo or Bernie, and I'm a brand manager here at My Amazon Guy. So let me go ahead and share my screen so I can give you this to you guys. So we are seeing here a lot of Age of Sages products. The best feature in here is what we call the CTR main image hack, which is adding something, a keyword or anything here to increase conversion. That's actually a really good optimization. For an example, this product. This product is a 6-piece set, which is most likely to be a really good option to be sold over Mother's Day or Christmas or anything like that. And you guys can spot here what is the CTR main image tag. Obviously here it is, this at the top left corner of the main image mom box, and obviously here at the bottom right corner all you need is mom, which definitely gives the idea to the customer that this is a gift for mom. So definitely that is a really good opportunity, a really good optimization to increase sales in Mother's Day, right? And the other hack that I want to show you guys is that some of the sellers, which they already have brand registry, are not taking the best opportunity of the brand registry tools, which they are the brand analytics. In here, we have the demographics. So if you want to increase conversion rate, definitely you can access this cool and very nice feature, which is on brands, brand analytics. You go here on consumer behavior analytics, click demographics, and I always select here the most amount of data possible, which is quarterly, last quarter. And you can see here what type of customers buying your product. And from there, you can create lifestyles showing that kind of people. And most likely, it will increase your sales and your conversion rate, right? If you found this valuable, you may also appreciate hiring My Amazon Guy and requesting me as your brand manager. I'm going to show you guys our page in here. So you just have to go here at myamazonguy.com, just click get a proposal and ask me as your brand manager. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah, stay safe. Bye-bye.